Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gluta C with Kojic Plus. This line of products is designed to help brighten and even out your skin tone. It features a powerful combination of 4 key ingredients: glutathione, vitamin C, kojic acid, and azelaisyl diglycinate. These work synergistically to reduce melanin production, offering a more radiant complexion. To begin, wet your skin with lukewarm water. Take a small, pea-sized amount of the facial wash or lather the soap in your hands. Gently apply the foam to your face and body, massaging in circular motions for about 30 seconds. Ensure you cover all areas. Afterwards, rinse your skin thoroughly with water to remove any residue, then gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. For optimal results, incorporate Gluta C Kojic Plus products into your routine twice a day. Before regular use, always perform a spot test on a small area of skin for 24 hours to check for sensitivity. After cleansing, remember to apply a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Crucially, always use additional sun protection, such as a lotion with at least SPF 30, especially when outdoors. It is important to be aware of a few considerations. If you experience any irritation, rash, or burning sensation, discontinue use immediately. Also, it is recommended to stop using other whitening products for at least 2 weeks before starting this regimen to avoid adverse reactions. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have any medical conditions, please consult your doctor before use. Always store products in a cool, dry place, away from heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.